This blue crane on the camera looks blue, but for a naked eye, it looks grey. This is Austin Roberts బర్డ్ హాల్. ఈ ఆస్టిన్ రోబర్ట్స్ అనే వ్యక్తి బర్డ్స్ మీద చాలా రీసెర్చ్ చేశాడు. అతని కలెక్షన్ అంతా కూడా ఇక్కడ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ హియర్? ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ డో. వై ఇస్ ఇట్ సో ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్? దిస్ one this particular door flew into the engines of Boeing 747 and the damage is estimated to be 15,000 rands those days in 1972. So these doors, that means they fly very high.
Yes.
And they go inside the engines of the Boeings, the aeroplanes. You understand?
Yes.
So that's what results in. You see that they are even fixing
The engine.
the engines. It's a big damage. You see that the damage. Look at that metals. How did it break? They are twisted. You see that
Yes,
the
yes.
engine's parts are twisted.
So which means this very strong.
Very strong. So before the bird got in, the pigeon, okay, the pigeon got into the engine. It's a dove. Sorry, it's a, before the dove got into the engine, this is how it was, and after that, it's like a powder. Ne? Look at that. It became. What do you call that? It's almost like burnt
Yes.
into a powder, and they only found some feathers here and there. So the damage is very high, as you can see. In those days, in United Arab Emirates, and also in the Middle East countries, having a falcon is a luxury. For them, it's like a, what do you call that? It's a symbol
Yes.
of richness.
Oh.
So they keep this falcon. They buy for dollars, thousands and thousands of dollars. Having a falcon for them is like a prestige. You understand? So these falcons were also found about 2,000 years ago.
So this is how they captured them.
Yeah. See, I'm talking about that one. You see that?
Yes, yes, yes.
So I was not wrong. Look at this picture also. This side.
Oh yes.
You
Yes.
see that?
Yes, yes.
The falcon for them, holding them on their hands, for them is like a great thing.
A symbol
achievement
of
actually.
wealth.
Symbol of wealth and richness and prestige, their life. So these ones in different birds, although we may not know all these birds, but pigeons. Some of pigeons, there is another one, guano. This looks like turkeys, huh?
Yes.
But look at the head.
It's kitchen,
Yeah, the neck and head is bluish.
agriculture,
Okay.
poultry.
Yeah, there is poultry and there is a chicken
And
that they
that's
put there. What is happening here? Is the owls, eagle owls.
This is a culture.
Vulture, ne? Okay, there is a vulture. There is a vulture and there is a, what is the big
It's an eagle.
eagle? Look at the size of the eagle. Do you see it?
Yes.
Ah, it looks very small for us. But look at it, it's very big. And that is a small owl.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And their their remains. You see that?
Yes.
They found
Those
them
of
and also
the
all those
fossils.
things, they put them here. All the fossils.
No. Those are snakes. Those are snakes and rats.
Okay, snakes and rats, okay?
Yes. Can you see
Yeah, I
them
see
here?
it.
Yes.
Yeah. So they kill them or what?
I think this bird used to feed on those.
Oh, those things.
So now they measuring they comparing the weight of.
Yeah. And these ones, hawk. This is a hawk. Huh?
Yes.
And they say you have hawk eyes. So this is the hawk.
Yes.
Do you see them? Did you see them recently?
No. I
No,
haven't
ne?
seen
It's a
them.
hawk, but we use like, huh? Your eyes are like hawk eyes. So these are like super birds. As you can see, parrot is there. It's not extinct, but it's extincted. But when last did you see a parrot? Huh? In flying on the roads?
Been a long time.
It's a long time. Okay. This is a flamingo. There is a duck. There is a secretary bird. So that means it's always next to you.
Yes.
That's why they call it as a secretary
The
bird.
secretary bird. I think it's included in the coat of arms.
Coat of
South
arms, ne?
Africa,
Oh,
yes.
okay. This is
That bird on the coat of
looks
arms.
like it's a very small bird. They call it as a sunbird. Okay. And this one is ibis. Remember we saw somewhere around ibis.
Inside the fossil.
The fossil of ibis. Nightjar here. And that one is a guinea fowl. Woodpecker. There is the woodpecker. And that's the parrot. So look at those beautiful birds there. They call it as a migrant European ruler. And look at the colors, very bright.
Colorful.
So this is the kind of navigation that they use. You see that? They use the sun, okay, for the navigation.
Yes.
So the sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. So they use that earth, sun direction of sun for their navigation purposes. All the ostrich. This is an ostrich. This is the pig. Male and female also. Okay. Albatross. These are the big heavy birds actually. You see that?
Yes, yes.
This is an indication that from these big birds, probably the reptiles and probably the reptiles and mammals have originated. You see that?
Oh, yes.
Some of them have resemblances. So all this, we won't finish if we go and check each and every bird. But they're in the same families. You remember? Look
Yes.
that they have the same characteristics. This is a red-tailed tropic bird, which is widely found in the Indian Ocean actually, but is also indigenous to South Africa. Look at this mouth. This mouth I haven't seen.
Wow.
Huh?
No, we have seen this bird somewhere.
Is it?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Look at the mouth. You can see the whole mouth here.
Yes. I've seen it somewhere on TV.
So like Southern Africa, as you can see all these birds.
Oh, yes, yes.
Wherever there is water, you must know there are birds. Wherever there is water, you will find. So that's why you will see them almost in the coast. You see that? Mostly coastal. All these birds. But it's a great collection. Can you imagine?
Yes.
One person has collected all these things. Huh? What is this? Flamingo. All these flamingos. These are the goose, duck, swan. This is a swan. We don't really see a swan these days. You see that?
I've
Hamsa.
never seen one.
Yeah, in Telugu they call it as hamsa.
What's this? So,
Vulture.
yeah, it's a vulture.
And look at it. How is it eating the bones? Probably this is the only animal that eats the flesh.
Yes.
These are all the
Carnivore.
carnivore. Yes, eats everything. But I doubt if it eats grass.
It doesn't eat grass, it only feeds on
Animals, dead
yes.
animals. These are all the animals, as you can see. Beautiful animals, beautiful reconstructions actually. And eagles.
Oh, it's an eagle.
Yeah, these are all the eagles.
Eagle.
Yeah, these are all the eagles.
Eagles are vicious.
Yeah. All the different species of the birds are here. Various species of the birds, various subspecies, families. The guinea fowl. Amatla here. This blue crane on the camera looks blue, but for a naked eye, it looks gray. So I don't know how did they identify that this is blue, but fortunately, but look at the head of this. Huh?
The crown
Sometimes
crane.
the crown
It's
crane.
like
so,
a crown.
Yeah.
Goldish.
But if you look at all these birds, you can feel like there are lots of species of these birds that are unique to each other.
I actually
Completely.
didn't know that we had so many birds.
There are lots of
Different
birds.
birds.
As you can see here, only here, probably you have seen 20,000 birds.
Probably.
20,000. And unique to each other. I mean, they're completely different.
Yes.
They don't look like same. Crane has different varieties, owls has different varieties, eagles, different subspecies.
Yes.
They come from different families. So this is a cowcall, but like an owl, ne? You see, marsh owl, we saw it. And this is what,
So,
all these owls, different types of owls. Not everything is same, ne? Kingfisher. There is the kingfisher. Okay. And that is one is a red and black billed kingfisher. So there are the different types of kingfishers. You see that?
yes, yes. These are all the
Kingfishers. Bee eaters. Okay. And look at that color.
No, this we saw this one.
Yeah, but look at that. Beautiful, huh?
Yes. These are the rollers.
Hoopies. Okay, but look at that. Sometimes you would wonder what is the purpose of that strong structure on the
This
beak.
is probably extinct.
Yeah, but what would be the purpose of it? Like a bone, or is it transforming into a primate?
No. Probably to store.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe it eats something that needs that strong bone to hold it. Crows, you see, even these ones, there used to be a lot of them. Nowadays they're extinct. You don't find lots of crows nowadays.
Yes.
Do you know how it makes sound?
Yes, yes, yes.
All these crows, the black crows, the white and black crows, there is mixture of
Which one is the most common? I
the
think
black
it's this one.
yeah,
Where's
even
the
this
black
one. Yeah, black one and these ones are the most common crows. These are all the sparrows. You see, I told you,
Yes.
they're very extinct these days. You don't find them. So the birds are the ones that are really affected by human evolution. Because of that electromagnetic waves that we produce, radio waves that we produce, different waves. You understand?
Yes.
So the birds cannot really take it.
So
All the sparrows, you see that?
it's only a matter of time before all birds go
Birds,
extinct.
what Albert Einstein said is that the moment that the birds and the bees disappear from this world, consider that it's
Finished.
almost the end of the world. Yeah. And the birds are very few. You see that building structures that we put in, there are no trees for them to land anymore.
Oh yes.
So you see that? That's why they're going far, far, far. But the moment all these things disappear, you know this world is going to finish.